Hi everyone, is your LG dryer not drying? We'll try these things first. Number one, see if energy saver is on. What it does is use a lower heat so it doesn't really dry as well. You could turn that off just like that. Number two, make sure that when you're drying, you're set on one of these normal settings as opposed to air dry, which doesn't use any heat at all. Number three, of course, check your lint trap. You want this to be nice and clean. In addition to the lint trap itself, take a look at the actual slot where the lint trap lives in that housing. Sometimes that gets all clogged up with lint as well. In that case, please refer to my video about how to do a deep clean of your dryer. Number four, around the back of your dryer, take a look to make sure your hose is not kinked or is maybe making an especially long run with lots of twists and turns and bends. It's also a good idea to take that hose off sometimes and take a look to make sure there's not too much lint inside it. Finally, take a look at where your vent exhaust comes out, on the side of your house or on the roof. If there is a mesh or anything like that, there could be an obstruction there which you'll need to clean out. If you've already tried all those things, make sure to also dry a manual dry when you just click time dry and temperature to just make sure that you're actually getting heat. If it still stays cold then you might have a bad heating element or thermal fuse. We'll cover how to check those in a different video. That's it. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thanks. Bye.